Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wireless earbuds. We're testing them for calls, music, and how they handle long listening sessions. First, let's talk about call quality. This is crucial. We tested a range of earbuds in various environments: busy streets, quiet offices, and noisy coffee shops. We assessed how well they suppressed background noise, the clarity of voice transmission, and how easily the person on the other end could hear us. Some excelled, while others struggled. If you take many calls, this is a key factor. Next, the music test. Sound quality is paramount. We listened to different music genres to evaluate performance. We examined the bass, treble, and overall audio balance. We looked for crisp highs and punchy lows. Some offer a rich, immersive experience, while others sound muffled. Audio preference is subjective, but we provide an objective assessment. Battery life is also critical, especially for long listening sessions. We tested how long the earbuds lasted on a single charge, how quickly they charge, and how many full charges the case provided. Some promise hours of playback, but in our tests, they fell short, while others exceeded expectations. Pay attention to this if you plan extended use. Comfort is important. We considered the earbud fit, weight, and features that enhance the experience. We assessed whether they stayed in place during activities like running. Some offer different size ear tips. Ear fatigue can be an issue. We'll share our thoughts on the comfort level. Finally, we'll consider extra features, like noise cancellation. We evaluated how effectively the earbuds block out external sounds. Noise cancellation improves the listening experience, especially in loud environments, so this is a key consideration for commuters. Other features, such as touch controls, voice assistant integration, and water resistance, are also considered. Touch controls make it easy to control music. Voice assistant integration allows you to get things done without taking your phone out. Water resistance is a nice feature if you exercise or are in rainy conditions. So, whether you're a music lover, frequent caller, or want a great listening experience, we have you covered. We'll compile our findings into a comprehensive review. Stay tuned for in-depth reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wireless earbuds. We're not just talking about music, we're testing these little gadgets for calls, music quality, and most importantly, how long you can actually listen before they die. First up, let's talk about call quality. Nobody wants to sound like they're talking from the bottom of a well. We tested various earbuds in different environments: busy streets, quiet offices, and even windy conditions. The goal? To see how well they isolate your voice and block out background noise. Some earbuds use sophisticated noise-canceling technology to achieve this, while others rely on clever microphone placement and processing. Then comes the music. This is where things get really interesting. We listened to a range of genres, from classical to heavy metal, paying close attention to the clarity of the highs, the richness of the lows, and the overall balance. We looked for earbuds that deliver a well-rounded sound, without excessive bass or tinny highs. We also considered the soundstage, how wide and immersive the music feels. Does it sound like you're at a concert? Or are the instruments all crammed together in your head? Next, the battery life test. This is a crucial factor for anyone who wants to use their earbuds on the go. We put the earbuds through a rigorous battery test. We played music at a moderate volume and tracked how long each pair lasted before needing a recharge. We also considered the charging case, which extends the listening time. Some cases offer multiple charges, while others provide quick charging capabilities. This is essential for those long listening sessions, or for anyone who forgets to charge their earbuds regularly. Finally, we looked at the overall comfort and design. Earbuds come in various shapes and sizes, and what works for one person might not work for another. We tested different ear tips to find the best fit, and assessed how secure the earbuds felt during movement. We also considered the ease of use, how intuitive the controls are. and how easy it is to pair the earbuds with your devices. A good design is not just about looks, it's also about functionality and how well the earbuds integrate into your daily life. Throughout our testing, we compared the different features and performance aspects of each pair of earbuds. We considered factors like price, features, and overall value. Our goal was to provide a comprehensive and objective assessment, helping you make an informed decision when choosing your next pair of wireless earbuds. So, stay tuned for our final recommendations. We've got a lot more to cover, so let's get started.